Welcome to Trendsetters Hub, where every step becomes a statement, and every heel tells a story of pure seduction and unstoppable confidence. High-heeled shoe sparkles in this world of bold fashion and fearless vibes. These sexy high heels aren't just footwear, they're your passport to power and allure. From the moment you slip them on, something changes. Your walk gets sharper, your head lifts higher, and suddenly every eye in the room is locked on you. Imagine the sleek shine of the stiletto catching the light, the bold curve hugging your foot like it was made for you, and that unmistakable sound of heels hitting the floor. Click, 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 the sound of dominance, elegance, and desire all at once. These aren't just shoes, they're a mood, a moment, and a movement. Whether you're strutting under the neon city lights, stepping onto a dance floor, or simply owning your daily walk, these heels promise to make you unforgettable. The vibe fierce, flawless, and hotter than fire, the kind of energy that attracts stares, turns heads, and makes your video worth 1 million views and beyond. Fire kiss mark every angle of these heels, the pointed toe, the perfect lift, the shine that catches cameras, screams luxury, boldness, and power. So if you're here for simple fashion, you're in the wrong place. At Trendsetters Hub, we don't just showcase heels, we showcase moments that go viral.